Let's take a look at this outdoor solar street light. It's much brighter than I thought it would be. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll go over the features of this outdoor solar street light. I'll also show how it lights up our yard nicely at the end. By the way, I was provided with this light to review, but this is my humble and honest opinion as always. The package comes with the solar light, a remote, a mounting plate with some screws. Note that some of the product pictures show the light mounted on a pole, but the pole is not included. The first thing I noticed is this light is much bigger and heavier than I thought, especially compared to a much smaller solar light that we've been using in our backyard. It's also very sturdy and well built with a metal case. It's rated IP65 waterproofing, so it should hold up well in the elements outdoors. It's about 8¼ inches wide, 16 inches long, and about 3 inches thick from the top to the bottom of the dome light. It weighs about 0.4 pounds. The top of the light is covered completely by the solar panel. Flipping it over, under this big dome cover is an array of 49 LED lights that can go all the way up to 1300 lumens when it's fully charged. And towards the front, there is a motion sensor. There are 2 mounting holes in the back, and a bit hidden also in the back, there is a push button to turn the light on and off. When you push the button to turn the light on, I like how there's a faint red light in there to let you know the light is operational. The little RGB light also flashes different colors. Once the lights turn on with this back button, all the functions are controlled by this remote. The remote comes with the batteries, so that's nice. First, there are the on and off buttons. There are 2 light colors, a cool white with this CW button, or a warm white with this WW button. There are 4 timer buttons to have the light on manually for 2 to 8 hours. There are 10 levels of brightness. The top button and the bottom button on this wheel increments and decrements the brightness by 10% with each press. It's a bit overexposed now, but you can see the light brightness decreasing and increasing. The right button on the wheel sets the brightness to 50%, and the left button sets it to 100% brightness. The auto button in the middle puts the light in 2 different automatic modes. When you press it once, the light blinks once for the light sensor mode. In this mode, the light turns on when it's dark and turns off during the daytime. Press this auto button again, the light blinks twice, and the light is now in motion sensor mode. It's dim at about 30% during the night and changed to full brightness for 15 seconds when it senses motion. I've installed the light next to our garage, set it in this motion sensor mode, and the light lasted all night for us the last few days without any problem. It's also more than bright enough for the kids to play under when we turn it on manually. Of course, the mileage of any solar light will vary depending on the weather conditions and the sunlight intensity of its mounting location. At about $80, it's not a cheap light. I think the light could be improved by at least having the remote controls on the light itself, so I don't have to worry about the remote breaking or losing the remote. It'd be even better if there's a charge indicator to show how much battery is left. In any case, I highly recommend this solar light. It's very bright and can last a few nights with a full charge. It also has many useful modes and features to meet most of the use cases. If you're in the market for a bright outdoor solar light, definitely check this one out. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.